What up, YouTube? Coming back with a box break here of 2010 certified football. Let's get into it. Hoping for these boxes are running very limited. Yeah, I mean, my hobby shop actually Grand Slam only gave sports cars a Grand Slam, only a Grand Slam. They're actually running out now. Football season is coming to an end, obviously. He only had 2 boxes left, so I bought both boxes. I'm breaking one on video. The other one was mojo-licious, so it was good. Let's hope this one is all good. And, ooh, Derek Thomas, jersey. Let's see that there. Nice card there. This is not the platinum box because I already got the platinum box, so I won't be expecting that. Hoping for some nice hits. Derek Thomas is a Hall of Famer, so that's always a nice hit. Why do I have trouble with this? Fuck me. Come on. Jeez. MJD's in the back. Antoine Randall, Steven Jackson. Oof. It's a nice patch. 2 of 10. Damian Williams. Wow, it's a very nice patch there. I don't know if you can see that. It's a 3-color patch. Very jumbo patch. Numbered out of 10. Sick hit. 2 of 10. Very nice there. Cool. All cards are for sale and or trade. PM me if you're interested. Alright. Chris Johnson. Ooh, certified potential. Tim Tebow. Buy him. That card's worth something. And Drew Brees. Drew Brees. Also, got some Gridiron Gear Lucy's as well. Got a hit in that. Gridiron Gear again. Running out. The product is running out. It's pretty bad. I love Gridiron Gear. Troy Polamalu and a stupid redemption, but whatever. Lee Evans, Jamal Charles, and Josh Cribbs. And a redemption, 286, freshman fabric, 286. I think it's Dexter McCluster, I'm guessing. Nope, it's not. It is Eric Berry. That's going to be the dual jersey autograph. Cool. I don't think we'll get any more redemptions then. I hope not. But it's a good redemption. Eric Berry. Very nice. And a Vince Young to 250, mirror red. Chris Cooley, Chris Chambers, Devery Henderson, Nate Burleson. Yeah, make me an offer, guys, on this stuff. Buy if you want to buy it, if you want to trade, whatever. And you know what? I don't know why my hands are pretty cold. Kind of hard to open these packs. Zach Miller, certified potential Montario Hardesty to $9.99. Browns Joe. If anyone knows Stale Gum, he's just a fat idiot. No one likes him, so stupid. Stupid. He's not a real card collector at all. John Carlson and... oh, wow. Number to 10, Dan Marino. Oh, shit. Yeah. Mojo. 6 of 10. Dan Marino patches. Look at those patches of Dan Marino. Sick. Sick. All kinds of crazy things going on in that patch. But, oh, wow. Dan Marino. Wow. Wow, that is a great hit right there. Dan Marino. 3 packs left. Last box had an extra hit. See if we can get another one. Brandon Burns. New generation. $9.99. Okay. Mr. Dan Marino. Very nice. Okay. And I did get an extra hit. Santana Moss, Darren Sproles. Don Maynard. That's cool. Extra hit. Number to 250. Hall of Famer jersey. Don Maynard. That's cool. Fabric of the game. That's cool. Got 5 hits. 3 Hall of Famers. And the sick Dan Marino number to 10 patch. That was sick right there. Very sick card. Alright, last pack here, guys. And it's going to be, ooh, a 6th hit. Dang. Heinz Ward, Kellen Winslow. Well, that's cool. CJ Spiller to 250. Oh, I got 6 hits. Nice. CJ Spiller jersey. Certified potential. Cool. 6 hits. Mojo. Alright, guys. Only a Grand Slam. And I'll see you later. See ya.